G'day, my name is Malan. We are going to build a housing frame. So this housing frame will be ideal for any greenhouse or windy house, or just imagine it and build it. With me today is Martin and Chadwick, two brothers, and they're going to quickly help us assemble everything and just show you how quick and effective it is to build a structure like this with Connect-it. What you would like to do is you would never want to make almost one-ended open loop. So you'd always want to hit now first in the connector and then as one unit hit it in again. Otherwise you're going to have to bend the profile to get it in. So in the 38mm, you will see there is an indication of degrees on which angle you want to adjust. You have two parts. You just slid it in there. You choose your angle of degrees. It's in 15 degrees incrementation, and so we're going to do this. This roof is a 30 and 60 degree angle. So you're going to lock it. You put it in place, and there you go. And so you can just actually then go, you put in your three-way, because we are creating a three-dimensional structure. So it just slots in there, you just get your correct orientation. And if normal, nuts and bolts, you put it in there and you lock it. Normally, you can we have two systems, a fit it, drill it, lock it. So the one system is where you're able to drill a hole through and use our lock pins. But with the brace pieces, the texture works brilliantly, and we actually recently going to, for the normal lockets, we're going to show you later on. We have a brand new deck screw that is also going to be available very soon. Okay, so there we have it. We have our basic housing frame. So all that we're gonna have left now for the finish off the frame is to put in a frame door. And for your windy house structure, what you are going to put any wood or any other type of panel inside your housing structure, we have this double-sided board bracket. So we also call it an M bracket. So this just goes on the inside here. You attach it with thick screws or pop rivet or however you choose to, and then it leaves exactly 18 millimeters of space. So then you just go by make sure that your boards are 80 millimeters, and your board can come and it's going to be flush inside your bracket or inside your frame, and it's going to give a nice aesthetic look at it as well, seeing the frame, seeing the board, and there you go.